Amsterdam. Ito na ngayon ang situation there dito sa aming neighborhood. So, dito kami nakastay. The B Hostel for backpackers. So, ayan. Ang mga tao dito is either walk or bike. Pero mode of transportation naman nila is metro. Metro. Meron din naman silang mga cars, Uber. Pero mas prefer na natin yung healthy. Walking muna tayo. May bus, may metro. Yan. Tabi-tabi lang dito ang mga mga hotel, mga hostel, accommodation needs. So there. We're walking to the metro stop for our early gala. Parang pa, tulog pa ang mga tao. But we're out on our way. Yan. This is how it looks like here in Amsterdam. There. Diba? Beautiful. Sana it will be sunny the whole day. Ito ang kanilang metro. Yarn. So we're waiting for the metro on our line. Sa other line siya. Janan. Dahil nandito na kami sa Amsterdam, meron kaming masasabihan ng nye. Ayan, let's enjoy Amsterdam. Alright, so we are here in Zandek Sanskans. Nambis ko na yung windmill, pero ito siya. And we are going for more windmills. Ito ang itsura niya sa may crossroads. Simply beautiful. Hindi ko na talaga siya napapawaw na lang ako. Hindi na ako nakakapag-take ng video. Ay, mapapawaw ka na lang talaga sa lahat ng makikita. Ayan.
Let's go. Bilisan natin.
Maganda. Maganda ba ang nakikita mo? Yarn. Look at that view in the morning. Wow. Let's get closer to the windmills, my friend. Let's keep on walking. Yan. Medyo malayo pa siya as of now, pero lalapitan din natin siya. Let's go. Grabe ang morning. Umpisa pa lang talaga. Grabe na ang view. Nakakaiyak. Look at this. This is Zandek Sanskans. Beautiful place. Dami.
What kind of tree though? It's ash.
Ganda. Let's just go slowly. Dami din tayong mga kasama dito na naglalakad. Appreciating this beautiful nature in Amsterdam. Yan. Beautiful place.
I don't even know if it's ash. I just very good at making.
Yeah. Tama yung sabi. They're very good in maintaining the place. Correct. Pag hindi ako naka-video, ibig sabihin I'm just appreciating what I'm seeing. Grabe. Mapapawaw ka na lang talaga. Bit-bit lang kasi akong 1.5 liters of water tsaka tissue kasi manipis ang hangin dito kaya nag ano lang yung nose. It's a beauty. So, ito the windmills. So beautiful lang talaga ang lugar. Even the sleeps na nag-drive because of the winter day now look beautiful, brown and dry. But soon there will be green leaves coming out because it's winter. There. See? Sige, let's just keep moving forward. Ang daming naka-appreciate ng lugar. Turista lang ang peg, ate. Sige lang, lakad lang. You'll get there.
So nice to see you walking here.
Ayan.
Come in. Look good. Have to have her on the rope so I know where she is.
Grabe. Such a beauty, beauty. Nature lang, pero bongga na siya. As compared to the concrete jungle. Diba? Ganda. Ganda, ganda, ganda. Very ano talaga to. Sustainability ang peg. Ganda siya. This is the windmill itself. Ayan. Let's go around here. And then,
Unless you drive here yourself.
Yeah, you can get a bus there.
No, mate, you know, if you had a car, you drive.
okay. Puntahan naman natin ngayon yung mga paggawaan ng cheese. Ito si Katarina Kaube. Let's focus on this. Daming tao. Dami rin namamasyal. Sobrang daming tao. Fairness.
Ilang days kaya ito magtatagal.
Sobrang daming cheese. Cheese na itong mga to.
Gumano ka tagal daw tayo ng first class.
Kaya iba-ibang tsura. Maganda. Ito yung buong lugar. Grabe. Let's just get the video. Iba-ibang combination. May cheese, may wine na siya. Yan. Ito siya, Edam. Iba-ibang flavors. Naka ano siya, naka paraffin.
Ale pomacie tam moje obrazki.
Herbs ko. Jalapeno naman ito sa baba. Grabe. More na more na more na more. Ilan kaya sa lahat ng taong nandito? Ilan kaya ang bibili? Ito si ate. Ito yung mga nagbebenta dito. Yan. Try natin tumikin. Oh, cheese. Hi. Wait.
How many months can I store this? One onion.
You can also be this color.
Thank you.
Beer.
Nice.
Can I try also?
Yeah, it's good.
With the dip?
This from sheep
Nakakaba na tayo nito mga
this one from sheep,
Yeah.
and this one cheese beef.
Very good.
One month din. Naada siguro ti mas bumayag din na baybayag pa.
Depende sa temperature. Dito naka-control temperature ang mga ito. May cheese with cheese with beer. Gusto ko talaga itong mga goat cheese. Try nga natin kung maka-pre-taste pa tayo doon. Cow cheese with pesto. Grabe. More na cheese. Iba-ibang flavor. Sa pre-taste pa more tayo. Haha, damihan na natin. Paminsan-minsan lang ito nangyayari sa buhay.
Herbs and garlic? Yeah.
Tagal naman. Pwede naman dito. US.
All cheeses you can bring back to US, except for the yellow cheese. There, it is a bigger one because it's a natural cheese. Natural milk. It's not pasteurized. All cheese are pasteurized, so it's allowed for you to bring it back. Only unpasteurized cheeses you cannot bring.